Hello Jess, it's Jose here. Okay, just to show you here how you place your orders correctly. You can see here we got this order that was made by you, but it's still pending requirements submission. So what this means is that you haven't submitted any information for me to start work on it. So now I know what is it. So all you can do is go back to your Fiverr, log into your Fiverr, go to my shopping. It should be below buyer, my shopping. There it goes. So below the buyer there is my shopping. So you click on my shopping and you should see this gig. It's gone yellow, as a yellow bar because it hasn't been submitted properly. So all you have to do is submit the information and add your website, because I know what is it now, I know what you want. Add your website and call it 1. Okay, so my gig 1. So next go back to the gig again, and this is how the gig will look like. Okay, so the order page. Now you need to order 3 extra gigs for this work, for the 3-minute video. So instead of clicking on that button there, you're gonna tick this box, okay, and order with extras. Okay, so you need to do that twice. You already got 1 in place, you only need 2 more. Once you did that, go order with the extras, then call it Uptime HD and put your website on it. You don't need much information because I know what you want, I know what you after, and then I will get the job started and done for you. So there it goes. Hope to hear from you soon. I'm Jose Nunes. Thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.